Folks, we got ourselves a real bona fide farm.
Got 2 more eggs. It's so fun finding these.
Teddy, are you okay?
Maybe not the best time to be doing this.
You poop scooping?
I'm poop scooping, all right.
Everybody's so happy on this farm.
Would you like to meet the ladies officially?
That's a chicken boy. Teddy, do you know what you get for not eating chickens?
I really like coming here, guys.
Vegetable patch update. Everything is getting huge. Cucumbers are growing really well. Zucchini's growing really well. Basil, marigolds, everything. Peppers are taking a little longer to spring up, but they are a little bit of a later summer harvest. Some of them have little blooms on them, so that's good. And our purple green bean seeds have fully sprouted and are definitely baby Groots. Actually, they're like teenage Groots. This section of the garden right here will be where we plant those. So we have had some serious growth and we haven't lost anything yet. And we did fence off this area because rabbits, because deer, because squirrels, and we don't want to have to fight anything. Get those tomatoes getting big. And our ornamental corn, our decorative fall beauty, is doing incredibly well back here. Folks, we got ourselves a real bona fide farm. And of course, over here, Farmer Brian was with the chickens. He's waiting on an egg. Actually, he's poop scooping because he's such a good farm dad. Are you poop scooping?
I'm poop scooping, all right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm giving the farm update.
You know it.
Farmer Brian.
Cleaning up after these girls, they don't stop pooping, let me tell you.
Nope. Me neither. Just
It's true.
Everybody's so happy on this farm, huh?
We have an egg laying in progress right now.
Goat friends on the horizon, wishing us well.
Hello, friends.
Also, neighbor chicken friends. It's like a whole nice situation here. Everybody's happy. The land is being utilized to its full capacity right now. We have the one empty field, which will be our jack-o'-lanterns come fall. And the reason there are spots of hay right now is because we have been harvesting that chicken poop, which is what Farmer Brian is doing right now. And we've been putting it into this bed to keep on adding fertilizer so that when it's time to plant our pumpkin, this will be really extra fertilized for them. We want big jack-o'-lanterns. So that's what's going on. Farmer Brian.
Got 2 more eggs.
Whoa!
That's 4 right now, and there's actually another one that just went in there. It's so fun finding these. It's literally an Easter egg hunt.
We love it. Every time we come in, there's more and more eggs. Thank you, miss.
Thank you, beautiful.
We appreciate you.
This one's like actually hot.
That's Princess Mombi.
Yeah, Mombi.
Princess Mombi,
It's a
good
princess
girl.
egg right here.
Oh, nice.
Also poop.
Yeah, it's a good poop
Not as fun to
harvest.
find.
Poop harvest and egg harvest.
Poop harvest.
That's how we make this farm work.
It's not as tasty.
I love you, Farmer Brian.
I love you too, baby.
Teddy, did you forget how to dog? Guys, I'm not moving until you take these booties off.
I can't.
Or barf.
I can no longer walk. This is the new state of me.
Are you okay? Teddy? Teddy, I'm getting worried about you.
Go on now.
Yeah, there it is.
Go on now.
Yeah. Push. Do a push.
Teddy, would you like to meet the ladies officially? Come on.
You got your cool shoes on. You can do it, chickies. Come on. Good boy, Teddy. Good morning, sisters. Wow. That's nice, Teddy.
I'm not too scared of him.
No.
This is our family.
Teddy, do you like your sisters? Oh, is it? Wow.
He just wants the chicken.
He never fails to surprise us just what a good boy he is. Well, that's nice. Get a light sniff from a distance. I am one of you. Teddy Gabus. Get a little closer, get a little sniff. Hi, baby.
Good boy, Teddy.
What a good boy.
These are our family.
I love my
These are our
sisters.
friends.
That's a chicken butt. Aw, that's so nice, buddy.
Being a really good boy.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, happy baby. Yeah, happy to protect her forever and always.
Good boy.
Good boy, buddy. He's the gentlest nature, this one. He's totally fine with him, I know it. Did you got a hey goatee? Oh, yeah? How do you. Oh!
What was the way to do?
It made like a dry heave face. Teddy, you want to go into hen house?
Don't lick their water.
Yeah,
Teddy?
I am one of them. Say hello, fellow chickens. This is Teddy's first time being loose around the chickens, and he just never fails to prove what a good boy he is.
This boy's wearing sneakers today because it is all mud out here. And we just got white carpets, which maybe was a bad idea.
Yeah, in a farmhouse, maybe.
Do you like your chicken friends?
Practically not even interested in them. That's crazy.
Teddy, would you like chicken? Say hello. That's so good, buddy. Yeah.
I did it. This is my sister.
You like your brother,
She's
buddy?
alright.
Wow. That was
Yeah, you're
nice.
happy. Yeah, you like it.
What if?
Do not.
No, Teddy.
Do not.
Teddy, do you know what you get for not eating chickens?
Hey, baby.
Hey, gorgeous.
What you doing?
Whew, just maintaining our corn, you know. We got no shortage of weeds that have popped up in here, but we're gonna get those under control and make sure that they don't take up any water or nutrients that our corn otherwise could be soaking up.
Yeah, a lot of corn, but also a lot of weeds, and we don't want those to affect our yield. So we have to go through with these awesome tools
Also,
that we picked up today.
I think we're quickly learning also that since it literally just rained this morning, maybe not the best time to be doing this because
Lots
it's
of
just
mud.
collecting a lot of mud. But
Yeah,
you know what? We're gonna power through.
do it. We each have one. We got a lot of weeds, and this is routine maintenance.
Oh yeah.
I hear that ripping. Yeah, rip out
tearing.
those weeds. Get them.
Ripping and tearing.
Get them.
Die.
Awesome.
Biscuits.
Biscuits.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Our corn is growing so well, though.
know, isn't
First 5 rows are all up, and we have lots of babies in our second quadrant that we planted. That is a corn right there.
They're all really coming up.
Yep, we can see our other rows coming up already.
That's one row down. Still want to be a farmer?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is why I can't have nice shoes anymore. Sweat in my eye. Yeah.
No more weeds.
No more weeds, girl. Where my weed at? It's gone. Whew. We did it. Yet again, we did it.
3 hours?
Was it 3 hours? I try not to look at the clock because that makes it go slower. Whew.
Oh, I got some hat hair. Wow.
I stand by the fact that farmers are badasses with bad hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's 1/4 of our corn.
1/4 all day. Back-breaking work, guys. Back-breaking work.
When all 4 quarters are planted, weeding will take a very long
A
time.
very long time. Okay, question for you. Still want to be a farmer?
Ah,
Ah!
ah,
Hey, ah!
ah.
Yeah.
Well, there's a storm a-coming.
Oh, it's a coming. Oh, Lord.
It's supposed to be a brief one, and we have tickets tonight to go and see the minor league baseball team,
The Greensboro Grasshoppers.
the Greensboro Grasshoppers. And it's puppy night, or what's it called?
Pup in the...
Field?
Puppies in the outfield. Doge
In the
of the dirt
of the
mound.
dugout. Dogs
It's a
in the
dog
dugout.
out.
The dog.
It should be dog out.
It's dog night.
Pup.
So we're gonna bring. That was a really appropriate timing on the bark right
You wanna
there
go?
from our next door neighbor. So we are bringing Teddy
Yeah,
his
Teddy's
first
gonna love
baseball
it.
game.
Yeah.
Looking forward to some hot dogs and some
Oh, man.
peanuts and
After all
Cracker
that
Jack.
work, I'm gonna have a burger, some ice cream, a hot dog, ice cream, another hot dog, nachos,
Nachos.
with ice cream on it.
We done good, baby.
Yeah, we did.
Hard work pays off.
So it's bark in the park,
Not dog in the dugout.
not dog in the dugout. Bark
Yeah.
in the park.
We are excited to be here after a long day of weeding.
Yeah, we are.
And we are here on the dog night, which means Teddy's going to see his first baseball game. And this is our first time at the Grasshoppers game.
Woo!
Teddy. Can Teddy have a pup cup?
Yes. Oh my God.
He would love a pup cup. That's the magic word. Oh boy, Teddy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my. He can't control.
Guys, I love baseball.
Has Teddy ever had dog beer?
Dog beer.
No.
He's about to.
You're going to be a man now, Teddy.
He's like, so are these all my shots?
Teddy,
I love
what
it.
are you getting?
Look what I got.
I'm obsessed.
Okay, look, we're gonna even put it in a stein.
Oh,
There you go, Teddy.
Yeah, buddy.
No, back up. That's Teddy's beer. There you go. It's just chicken broth and water.
He's just over 2 now.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, we rescued him. Now he's a farm dog.
Here. Nice. Yeah. Say hi, Teddy. Teddy's gonna be your friend. There you go. Smells?
Yeah.
Smell all the smells? You have to bring him by. He's sweet.
Oh, yeah.
.com.
Let's go, Grasshoppers.
Go Grasshoppers.
Your attention, please, for a very important announcement. Flying to the stand without notice throughout the course of tonight's game.
Should we go for the shady spot?
You know it. You're 5 minutes. You already got a beer. Yeah. Ted, you got to drink it properly.
He says more pup cups, please.
More beer, please. Oh.
All the dogs are looking at their parents wanting hot dogs.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. He knows what's coming.
Baby. As promised, Teddy, your first ball game and your first ballpark Frank whip. Whip. Just gonna do it in 2 bites, huh? Yep.
Oh, my.
Yep.
Oh, my.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was it good?
I really like coming here, guys. I get pub cups and beer and hot dogs.
More bark in the park.
Where's my next hot dog? Could I have another one, please?
I'll get you another one.
Cheers.
Teddy, can you do it? Hey,
Hey, stick a bite.
Teddy, can you do it? Do it. Do it. Do it. Work it. I'll do anything you want.
Dude, you
Yum, 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 yum. Oh.
Hey, that's the bread, buddy. Oh my god. Hi, baby girls.
Are you checking on our ladies?
Yes.
Yeah.
We miss you, baby girls.
This is the hen house cam. You enjoying your ladder?
Oh, they look like they can hear us. Do you like to sleep on the ladder? Are you kissing each other? We love you, baby.
We'll be there soon. Make us delicious eggs.
Let's go, Hoppers. And that's the game.
Game over. It's okay. Teddy is the real winner.
Are you the winner?
Yeah.
I win in the hot dog
You
game.
did it, buddy. You win.
I did win in the hot dog game.
You won.
I win in the
Yeah.
hot dog game.
Yeah.
I did it.